Do you want to earn money by just creating children's storybooks in just 3 simple steps by using 3 free AI tools? So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create free storybooks in just 10 minutes and earn passive income. First of all, go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a short children's storybook for you that contains chapter. So let's just ask ChatGPT to write us a story. So here ChatGPT is writing a story for us that contains some chapters. So here is our short story ready in just a minute. How easy it was. You can also generate free story using ChatGPT. Now simply go to Leonardo AI for generating images. I have already given a tutorial for Leonardo AI that how you can generate images from here. So after going there, you just have to select your image dimension and number of images. After that, you just have to write a prompt there so it can generate image. I have just simply pasted the topic of my story. So now just click on generate and it will generate images for you. So now you can just see my images are ready. I can just simply save whatever image I like. You can save the image you liked for your story. So I will download this image for me now. I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the chapter 1 for me so I can generate its images. Now go back to Leonardo and paste the chapter 1 story and just write the prompt properly so that it can understand what kind of images you want. So it has generated me different cat images, I guess. So we will write in the command that we are talking about a mouse. So after that, just click on the generate button so it can generate our required images. So here are the exact images we wanted. So just select whatever image you like and just simply download it. Now after that, again just go back to ChatGPT and copy your chapter 2 context and paste it in Leonardo AI command. So here I will paste my context of chapter 2 and I will simply click on generate button so my images can be generated. So here are my images. Now I will just simply save the kind of image I like. After saving the image, you just have to go back to ChatGPT again and copy your chapter 3 context. Now simply paste it on Leonardo AI and click on the generate button. So if you don't get the exact images according to your context or according to your story, then you can simply change your prompt. You can add something or remove something or change the command so it can just simply generate the exact images we want. So I will change the command here because I need more relevant images. So here you can see after changing the command, I have got the exact images I wanted. So I will simply download the image. After that, I will just simply repeat this step again, go to ChatGPT and copy my next chapter 4. Paste it over here so it can generate chapter 4 images. Now simply I will just select one image and download it. Now again repeat this step, copy chapter number 5 and paste it over there and generate its images. It's very simple. If you don't know how to create an account on Leonardo AI, you can just simply watch my other video in which I have told a tutorial of Leonardo AI. I will also mention the link in the description box. You can watch the video from there. Here I will do some changes in the prompt because I need an image where mouse is hugging his family. So I will just change my prompt and just again generate the images. Now you can see I have got an image where mouse is hugging his family. So I will just simply download my image. So in this way you can just simply change your prompts if you don't get the exact images. Now all of my images are ready. Now go to canva.com and create Storybook there. Simply choose a template of a storybook and upload your downloaded images here. I will upload all my images here and then just simply select the first image you downloaded, the beginning of your story, the image you created. Just simply select it. Now go to ChatGPT again and copy the beginning context of your story and just simply paste it over here by selecting a text box. So this will be your starting of the story. Just adjust it over your image. Now add another page below and just simply select your second image, the chapter 1 image. Now after that, go back to ChatGPT and select the context of your chapter 1. Now go back to Canva and paste it over your image. Now in the same way you have to repeat all the steps. You have to add all of your images and all of your context, and you have to prepare your storybook in this way. I will repeat the same procedure here. You can just simply copy the page also and just edit it in the next slide. So in this way I will complete my storybook. You can see it looks so beautiful. You can also add a page to the front, and so you can just simply generate a title of your book, title page or cover page of your book. So just add a page to the front, and in the graphics just search for children's story. There you will get a lot of images. Just select whatever you like and add a text over there. I'm just giving you a sample. I'm just telling you how you can do this. I'm not doing it much perfectly, but you can take your time and edit it more perfectly. So I'm just telling you the way you can do it. You can also add another page and write chapter 1 title and add some images over there. So in this way you can add separate pages of titles and complete your storybook. So here I have completed my storybook. I will just simply click on the share button and download my storybook in PDF form. So let's just check how it looks like. It's just a sample storybook that I have created for you guys. You can see it looks so good. Even make it more beautiful. It looks really good, so you can create such storybooks in your own way and make passive income by selling these storybooks. Now I will tell you where you can sell these storybooks. Now for selling your images, just simply go to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and create an account over there. Then just simply upload your storybook, create a title and description for your book, then upload your book cover files over there and set a price for your book, and just simply publish and sell your book, and you can earn a lot of money from this. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching.